Hello, everyone, and welcome to Break Room Conversations. I am going to go ahead and get our guest on today, a familiar face that we haven't seen in a while. While I am getting her on, I would love to go look on neil.com at our education website and to see what classes that we have coming up this spring because we have some amazing classes coming. And oh, here it is. Here she is. Brandy. Yes, it's a girls takeover.
Yay!
Thank you so much for joining us, Brandy. It's been a minute. We've missed your face on here. And yep, there you are. So pretty. So I thought it would totally make sense to have you on this episode because we're talking all about color control, specifically the new release of Color Control
Yeah,
Light that might be confusing some brains a little. So we're here to kind of set the record straight and talk about it. So let's chat.
yeah, yeah. Let's chat about color control. I'm excited.
Yeah, me too. Okay. So the new color controlled light has come out. First of all, like, how are you introducing this to your guests that have already tried the color control rich?
Yes. Okay. So I'm introducing it as in the product that it says it's for that hair type. It's for light to medium density types of hair. And I think the problem or the challenge with people that weren't so happy with the color control rich is that it was so heavy for them. So this is the perfect solution for those with finer to medium density of hair. And they want a good longer lasting color to keep their color. That's what they're there for at the salon, right? And they want a shampoo that's going to make that color last, but it was just too heavy. So here's the solution. It's a lot lighter. It's going to give them that great shampoo that they need to go forward.
Yeah, I mean, to me, this seems like such a relief. Like if you were my client, I'd be like, Brandy, girl, I know you are looking for that color safe shampoo, and I know that last one was a little heavy. Well, Aveda heard you, and they
Yeah,
created a lighter version.
absolutely. Yeah, I think
So
that's amazing. What we say about the brand Aveda is that they listen, they put the artist first and the guest first, and they're going to give it to us, which is great.
it's kind of like Aveda's turning into your iPhone,
Yeah,
like or your phone. I don't know. I don't know if Androids do this too, but like how when you say something and it hears you and it all of a sudden it
right.
appears. I feel like Aveda's turning into that, which I'm totally fine with. So let's keep throwing some things out there.
I'm okay with it too.
All right. So, I like to talk about the elephant in the room and disrupt a little bit. Um, Forever, I, as a client, have been told that for my color treated hair, I want a sulfate free shampoo.
Mhm.
So, this new light shampoo has sulfates in it, correct? Well, what
Correct.
is Miss Betty going to do when she finds out about this?
Okay, Miss Betty needs to calm down because there's actually no research out there that says sulfates actually strip color other than like the regular surfactants that we need to take oils and dirts away from our hair. So Miss Betty needs to calm down, get some tea, maybe some coffee, I don't know, White Claw, and get the shampoo that's going to make her color last.
I love it. I love it. So you heard it here, folks. Sulfates are fine. They're fine. And
They're
ours are
fine.
ours are, organically or naturally derived. So they are definitely gentle. So all is good in the world. We are fine. Something I would love to know as a client and as we were getting this conversation together and just thinking of stuff, I never really thought about this one before. So I have my color control in the shower. I just got my hair colored and I'm using it. How long should I be using a color safe shampoo?
Yeah. So as long as you're getting color done, it's safe to use it. But it's always good to rotate your products. That way our hair has something new to feel on it, I guess, or it's kind of like a good safe rotation to say, okay, we're going to use this product because we know we need it. And then we're introducing another product because we also need that product as well. So what I always suggest is when we're doing hair color, which is a chemical, to rotate with botanical repair because it has repair in it. So we're going to keep our hair healthy on the inside and our color lasting on the
I love
outside.
it. I love it. Okay, so I can definitely rotate around. Okay, cool. Okay, so another fun thing that we like to talk about on here is ingredients for the color control. And I have notes
Great.
because I didn't want to mess this up. So I'm going to be reading some things. So, and I know you like ingredients, and it's just cool. Like, people like to hear about it. People are very in tune to what is in their beauty products these days. And we have such an advantage to talk about that and brag about that and bring awareness to it. All right. So, bonding agents that are rice and corn that are instantly going to neutralize the particles to help keep your hair color fresh and not fade as much when it washes.
Yeah,
That's great. That's
that's
amazing. Like, how do you even figure this
awesome.
out?
Yeah, I think it's even awesome for, I don't know about other parts of the nation, but the South, we got some harsh water going on down here. So I think it's really awesome to have these products and ingredients in our shampoo because it just helps us out
Yeah.
right away.
Yeah. And I think too, another, like, I'm not going to go through all the ingredients because there's some really cool ones, but these are like just some neat ones that people know, like they've heard this before, like omega-6 and omega-9s. So what's really neat about that is that's what's going to keep your hair hydrated and bouncy. So when people
Mhm.
know what those are, what omegas are, so just saying those words to people, it's like an attention grabber. You're like, oh, cool. Yeah, I take that vitamin too. This is great. It's in my hair.
Right, right.
I love it. Okay, back to business. So I would love for you to walk us through your service and where are you talking about color, hair, home care, color care?
Yeah. So I love to talk about home care throughout the entire service. It starts the moment they tell me their challenges or even what they like about their hair when I'm doing a consultation. They're going to tell us what the problem is and what they want or what they like and they want more of right away. That's why they're at the salon. And that's when I insert, girl, I have the product for you. So we're going to start right in the consultation. And I'm just going to keep reminding them throughout the entire service. I have a perfect product for you to take home that's going to be great for your home care and that we're going to keep this color lasting or style lasting or whatever it is. That's when we talk about it. And it's just going to be like a reminder throughout the entire service. And they're going to want to feel like it's already theirs. So they have no choice but to take it home.
Yeah. I mean, us as clients, we are giving you every clue possible to introduce
Right.
home care to us the second we sit in your chair. And we're asking for it. We want to know,
Yeah.
even if we're not, really like saying, tell me this. Like, I'm giving you all the clues here to let me know about it. And color safe shampoo is just so important, and it's so surprising how many of our hair color guests are not taking home anything to protect their hair from color. It's
Yeah.
just shocking to me.
Yeah.
So everyone that is watching that is a stylist, I challenge you to go look into your customer files and see, have they purchased a color safe shampoo from me? If they haven't, what are they using? What are they using?
Right. Yes. I think what my challenge is that if you're a colorist, this is only going to help you. Like, what are you doing? Yeah, challenge you to make that client smell it, feel it, touch it, hold it, and send them home with something that's going to give them the solution of their long lasting color.
Yeah. No, I love it.
Yeah, it
Um,
breaks my heart.
it's like, yeah. So I would love to challenge you guys to check that out. All right. So the last thing I have for you on this. So, we're talking about color safe shampoos, conditioners. What are some like other fade protection tips that you have
Yeah.
for hair color guests?
Wow. what does not take color out? That's the real question. My tips are to buy something that's a leave-in conditioner, which Color Control has a great product for that. And they also have it in Light and Rich. That's going to prolong your color up to 12 weeks, which is amazing. Um, Go low on the heat. You know what? Everyone loves heat nowadays. Even your showers, your water in your shower, the temperature has got to come down. No more 500-degree showers. I know that hurts
I mean,
and
maybe
it's
right now
sad.
because it's like negative whatever degrees outside.
Right. Let's not bust the pipes. Turn it down. Turn down your heat settings on your irons, your flat irons, your curling irons, your wands, everything. And make sure you have really good heat protection, whether it's in a leave-in spray or a leave-in cream going forward.
Yeah, I love that you mentioned the leave-in spray with color control because that's what I use too. And I like to look at it as, I'm putting sunscreen on my face when I go outside, every day. And that's sunscreen for my hair too to protect it from
Yeah,
fading and from everything else that's all around it. So,
absolutely.
well, cool. Well, I am so happy that we have this new addition to color control, and I know you are as well. Our colorist, our specialist here in the room today, and thank you so much for joining us. And yeah, Bella, you cook chicken at
Bella's so right.
350. Don't cook your hair. It's just so bizarre, so bizarre. Let's
So
educate
bizarre.
our clients, you guys. All
That's
right.
right.
Well, thank y'all for joining, and we'll see everyone at Serious Business in
Yeah.
person, or we'll see you virtual as well this weekend. So,
Yeah. See you this weekend, everyone.
woo. All right. Until next time. Bye, everyone. Thanks, Brandy.
Bye.